All right, I want to finish up section 5.2. There's a teeny tiny topic that I want to discuss. Now, before I discuss that, I really want to show you how Professor Aguilar likes to wear his Tripoli pride as his t-shirt. Now, this is a very relevant circuit. We are going to look at this circuit in a little bit more detail, but for now, I really want you to pay attention to one thing, okay? The output of the operational amplifier. Clearly, here is an amplifier, operational amplifier. The output of this operational amplifier is tied back into the input, negative input, into the inverting input. That is what we are going to look at, okay? And this makes the operational amplifier much more versatile, very, very useful, okay? So, we are going to go into the negative feedback configuration of operational amplifier, okay? So, let's see, let's begin with what we already know. We know that OpAmp is a 3-terminal device, right? There are 3 terminals to it. There is a negative terminal or an inverting terminal, a positive terminal which is a non-inverting terminal, and an output terminal, right? So far we know so much. The output, then there is your Vn, Vp, okay? Now, what we are going to do is to take the output, okay, and through a resistor tie it back into the input. This makes the operational amplifier very versatile, okay. This makes the OpAmp very, very versatile. The fact that we are tying this a part of the output back into the input through a feedback resistance RF. It's called a negative feedback configuration. So, all we are doing is we are taking the output and feeding it back, okay. The output, we are feeding it back into the negative terminal of the operational amplifier. We are going to look at more and more applications of this. As a matter of fact, you can have an inverting amplifier, a summing amplifier, a difference amplifier, a bunch of different configurations and applications can be constructed out of this negative feedback configuration.